In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually resize images in HubSpot content. Resizing images the right way helps your pages load faster and keeps your layouts consistent. We'll walk through the built-in tools in HubSpot so you can adjust dimensions without touching external editors, and we'll keep your original files safe while you work. Start by opening your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, look for the More menu in the main navigation and head into the Content area. From there, open your Files tool. This is your file manager, where all your uploaded images live. Locate the image you want to resize and open it to view its details. If you're working from a long list, filters and search can help you find the file quickly. With the image selected, choose Clone and Edit. This is important because it creates a working copy, so you won't accidentally overwrite the original asset that may already be used on live pages or emails. In the editor that opens, select Crop and Resize. This panel gives you two related tools. Cropping adjusts the visible area, while resizing changes the pixel dimensions. Since we're focusing on dimensions, switch to the Resize option. Now enter the exact width and height you want. Dimensions are in pixels, which is the standard for web images. If you see a lock or chain icon for aspect ratio, keep it enabled to prevent distortion. This will automatically adjust the other dimensions so your image doesn't look stretched. If you need a specific non-proportional size, you can unlock it. But be mindful that breaking the aspect ratio can lead to a squished or elongated look. As a general tip, avoid scaling images up beyond their original size, because enlarging usually reduces sharpness and can make graphics look blurry. If you need to fit a precise layout, it often helps to crop first to the right shape, then resize to the final dimensions. Take a moment to preview how the image looks at the new size. If your website uses high-density displays, you might choose a width that's double your display size and let CSS scale it down, keeping the image crisp while balancing file weight. When you're happy, click Save New Image. HubSpot will add this as a separate file in your file manager, leaving the original untouched. You can now insert this newly resized image anywhere in your HubSpot content, pages, blog posts, or emails, knowing it's optimized for your layout and performance goals. That's it. You've resized an image directly in HubSpot, kept the original safe, and created a clean, ready-to-use version for your content.